Okay, have a look at this triangle here. This is your opposite here. The opposite is always opposite of the angle here. Okay, and the C is always is the one that joins up the right angle here and the angle here. So this would be your C. Okay, and so your sun would be here. But most of the time, you're not going to get given a triangle like this. They would probably give you something like this. Hang on. So here they could rotate it like this. In which case, your opposite, hang on, your opposite would be here because the C is here. The C is the one that joins up the right angle and the angle here. So this would be your C, and this would be your sun. Which means that the adjacent is here, the hypotenuse is here, and the opposite is here. Okay, hang on. So now they could give you a triangle like this. Wait there. They could give you a triangle like this. Okay, so the angle is here. The right angle is here, which means the C would be here. Okay, and like that, and the sun would be here. Well, which means that this must be the opposite because it's opposite of the angle. This is your adjacent here, and this must be your hypotenuse. Okay, or they could hang on. Let me put this back to the original. Hang on. Or you could be given something like this. Hang on. So here, this is your starting triangle. They could give you something like this. And let me flip it upside down. So like this. So you could be given something like this. In which case, your C would be the one that joins up the right angle and the angle here. So the C would be here. The opposite will always be opposite of the angle. So this would be your opposite. This would be your adjacent, and this would be your hypotenuse. Okay. Hang on. So let me clear this up. Or they could give you something like this. They flipped it, and then give it a rotation as well. So it could be something like this. Okay. So in which case your opposite will your opposite will always be opposite of the angle here. So this would be your opposite, and the C is the one that joins the right angle and the angle here. So it would look like this. Okay, and this happens to be your sun here. So in which case the adjacent will be here, the opposite will be here, the hypotenuse will be here. I know it sounds weird, but in the next video I will give you some practice, and then after it's weird at first, but if you keep on practicing, it's really simple after that. So it will be weird at first, or I will give you something like this here. The angle would be well here in this case it would be this. The opposite would be here. The adjacent would be here, and the hypotenuse would be here because it's like this. Yeah. The C is the one that joins up the right angle and the angle. So this would be your C. Okay, and this would be your opposite, which means the sun is like this, and the C is here. So which means that look at this. The sun to heaven. This is sine. You see a sine to heaven. Okay, and then here this will be a suntan. In effect, because the sun is shining down on you lying on the beach, so this would be a tan. And then the chord jumping out to the water would be an upside down chord, but well, chord would be sounds like cos, so this would be cos. Okay, so you start here and it jumps out. So in the next video, I will give you some practice, and it will be weird at first, but after a few goes, it's really simple after that. So watch the next video. Okay.